We are so privileged at Bowdens to live in a gorgeous part of the country. This is Sticklepath, just outside Oakhampton, about half an hour from Exeter. And this is our garden. This corner here is our fernery. And we are delighted at the moment to welcome visitors from far away and from nearby. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 till 4. You don't have to ring up for an appointment. We're always here. This is the fernery, and it's looking utterly stunning. I haven't been down here for probably a couple of weeks, and it's really started to woken up, and it's looking gorgeous. The Dixonia Antarctica behind me are really something else, but there's more as well. If you follow me round to the National Collection, where the hostas are looking utterly stunning. On the right hand side we've got big hostas, we've got large leaf hostas. This is forbidden fruit. But then round here is the spectacular National Collection of hostas, which is my wife's pride and joy. And if you can spot a slug hole in those, then I might even buy you a coffee. So these are the hostas, those are the ferns in the fernery, and we've got loads more plants. Agapanthus from our National Collection bursting into flower in a couple of weeks' time. So we'd really encourage you to come and see us. We've got lots of plants for sale, we've got lots of advice we can give you, and we'll give you a great big Devon welcome.